What's up? Yo, this is my first. I'm running a sound check. The fucking webcam came with a microphone, so I'm trying out the different sounds and stuff. It sounds a lot better through this microphone because the webcam has its own microphone, but the sound's better. And my cat's fucking nailing me in the leg because he's hungry. Just wait a minute, okay? And yeah, I'm just doing a sound check. Let me know how everybody's sound works on their computer, stupid shit like that. So I'm actually about ready to do a Skype call to test it out on their webcam and headset and all this crap. I don't know. Obviously the microphone's crappy, but it was free. It came with it, so I gotta give it a shot because my gaming headset that I used for 5 years, it's shitting bad. So I'm not even gonna mess with it. So I'm just gonna watch this video here in about 3 seconds. Okay.